In this video I'll show you how to remove the sun visor of your Acura MDX first and second generation. Should look like this one, okay, or almost. And there is a cap hiding the two screws that are maintaining it attached to the ceiling. So take a flathead screwdriver, a knife, something very thin, and unclip the panel that is hiding the screws. You see, you don't have to go all the way in, just remove it a bit, and then with your finger you can detach it more. Because you don't want to break it. Alright, let me open the sun visor, and you see it just came out by itself at this point. It will unveil two screws. These are Torx T25. So take your Torx T25 screwdriver. Okay, this is mine over here, and you just need to unscrew them. So let's go ahead. Obviously don't lose those screws. Now you're gonna notice there is a connector attached to the sun visor since it's lighted. First unclip the sun visor from the ceiling, and you see over here this is the connector. It's very easy to release it. There's a small latch over here. Simply press and pull at the same time and it will release. When time comes to put a new sun visor, okay, you just need to clip there and then put back the two screws and finally put the cap that goes over them. Very easy. Same thing on the passenger side over there. Leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.